Today we'll discuss about contraceptives. What are the contraceptives? So contraceptives is the one which prevent the pregnancy that we call as contraceptives. So we'll discuss 14 contraceptives one by one. And first is the contraceptive injection. In contraceptive injection, it is a hormonal birth control method. Typically in this injection, progesterone is there that prevent the pregnancy by stopping the ovulation and thickening the cervical mucus. By this way, this injection controls the pregnancy. This progesterone hormone in this injection prevent the ovaries from releasing an egg. It makes the mucus at the cervix thicker, preventing sperm from reaching the uterus. It can also thin the lining of the uterus, making it less likely for fertilizing egg to implant. Second contraceptive is a patches. This patches contraceptive is a type of the hormonal birth control that works by releasing a synthetic estrogen and progesterone through the skin to prevent the pregnancy. These contraceptive patches are applied on the skin that prevent the ovulation. This contraceptive also the hormones stop the ovaries from releasing an egg. This makes it difficult for the sperm to reach an egg. This makes it harder for a fertilized egg to implant. Third contraceptive is the condom. Everyone knows that contraceptive is a form of the barrier contraception that helps prevent both pregnancy and the sexually transmitted infection. This is the only device which prevents STD and prevent pregnancy. There is not other contraceptive which works on this both for preventing the pregnancy as well as for stopping the sexually transmitted infection, but when used correctly and constantly. Fourth is a copper T. Copper T is a contraceptive. Everyone knows that. But how copper T works? The copper T works by releasing the copper ions that are toxic to sperm, preventing them from reaching the fertilized an egg. This is the work of the copper. That is why the copper T is used, and this is the work of the copper T. Copper ion released from the device make the uterine fluid and the cervical mucus toxic to sperm, killing them or damaging the ability to move. The copper ions impair sperm motility, making it difficult or impossible for them to reach the egg. The presence of the copper makes the uterus an unstable place. The presence of the copper makes the uterus an unstable place for the implantation. But in the copper T, like the other contraceptives, the copper T does not contain the hormone. There is only the copper in the copper T which prevent ovulation. And it is the only contraceptive which can be used up to 10 years. Spermicide. Spermicide is a contraceptive. It prevents pregnancy by killing or inactivating the sperm. These spermicides are available in various forms, like in form such as cream, gel, foam, films, and the suppositories. Suppositories are the substance like a solid form that we call as spermicide. They are inserted into the vagina before intercourse. But keep it in mind, spermicide is not very effective when used alone and is best used in combination with another birth control like condom or the diaphragm to increase its effectiveness. That is why spermicide can't be used alone. It should be used with a condom or the diaphragm. What does spermicide contain which act as a contraceptive? Spermicide contain a chemical like nonalexone that break down the sperm cell membrane, making them unable to reach or fertilize an egg. It must be inserted into the vagina according to the product instructions, typically 10 to 15 minutes before sex. Diaphragm contraceptives. Diaphragm contraceptive is a method of the contraception that also blocks the sperm from entering the cervix when used with the spermicide. This diaphragm need to be fitted with a healthcare provider, or it can be inserted and removed by the individual also. This diaphragm is made up of silicone, a flexible rubber. It is coated with a spermicide. It is inserted into the vagina to cover the cervix. The physical barrier of the diaphragm blocks sperm, while the spermicide kills any remaining sperm. Next is the sterilization. Sterilization, everyone knows that. Sterilization is a permanent contraceptive method that prevents the pregnancy by the surgery. Surgically blocking or removing the tube that carry eggs and sperm. Generally, the fallopian tubes are cut in the sterilization. But remember that this is a permanent sterilization method. After this, nothing can be done. This is a permanent contraceptive. And next is for the male, that is the vasectomy is done. With the help of the vasectomy, it is shown in the video also. I hope you will understand. This is also, the vasectomy also is a permanent sterilization method. After this, nothing can be done. This is the vasectomy. I am showing you in the video. I hope you understand it. If not, you can comment me in the comment section also. I'll tell you. After this, but this is the vasectomy. This is a permanent sterilization method. After doing this, nothing can be done. That is a permanent contraceptive. This vasectomy, like the tubectomy only, but it is done in male. It helps the sperm from being released in the ejaculate. After doing this, the sperm can't be get ejaculate. The sperms will be produced, but the sperms will not be getting ejaculate. It is a surgical procedure only, both. Sterilization, vasectomy and the tubectomy. The fallopian tubes are cut and the vasectomy. Both are the sterilization method and it is a permanent one. Next is the implant contraceptives. This implant contraceptives as shown in the video, it is a small flexible rod inserted under the skin of the upper arm that prevent the pregnancy for up to 3 years by releasing the hormone progesterone. I hope you are understanding what I am telling. Next is the vaginal rings. This vaginal rings as shown in the video, it is a flexible. This is a vaginal ring as shown in the video. This vaginal rings are the flexible hormonal contraceptive. This ring are the hormonal contraceptives that is inserted into the vagina to prevent pregnancy by stopping ovulation, thickening the cervical mucus and thinning the uterine lining. These rings release the hormone similar to the birth control pills to prevent ovaries from releasing an egg each month. The patches contraceptives. The patches contraceptives can be applied anywhere on the skin, that is buttocks, upper arm, lower abdomen or exceeding the breast. The skin must be clean, dry and free of lotion or the makeup to ensure its thickness properly. This is the proper advice you have to take while applying the patches. And while using any of the contraceptives, you must contact with your healthcare provider first. Afterwards, you can use any of the contraceptives. But what the Mala N? Next contraceptive is the Maladi and Malayan. Everyone knows that. Maladi and Malayan. But what the Maladi and Malayan contain? This Maladi and Malayan containing hormone, that is the estrogen and progesterone. Both are included. Estrogen, that is the ethinyl estradiol, and the progesterone, that is the levonorgestrel. That is included in the Maladi and Malayan. This Maladi and Malayan contain 21 pills of the hormones and the remaining 7 pills are the iron supplement. as you can see in a video, it's clearly visible.